Okay, folks, got a couple pours here. Let me get you around here. Going to do another one of these jigsaw rounds. Somebody wanted one of them, and I want one of these. These are Pat P molds. I don't know what I did before. I really don't know. I know they're working now. Okay, let me, it should warm up pretty quick, so we won't see that 300 some degrees, almost 400 already. So $750. I'm gonna take it up a little bit more. Okay, just pop it down. It'll cool off while I'm doing that. A couple drops in the crucible, Ivan. I don't know how we're going to be on weight. Wax looks pretty good. It got a couple ripples around the edge, but nothing. Looks pretty nice, actually. Let's knock it out of here and see how this side looks. Oh, this side looks beautiful. We'll dunk that in the water. We're going to keep on moving, folks. We're going to keep on keeping on here. Got another batch already made up. Going to see if this works. poured real nice as we get the detail out of it. There it is, folks. We'll quench this real quick here, and we'll show you both of them. I think that actually come out. I don't know what I was doing wrong before, Pat, but doggone it, I got it figured out now. That'll clean up when it tumbles. But that's the Punisher with looking down the crosshairs of the sight. And this is my jigsaw round. What we're going to do, we're going to swing you around here. Hope you can see this. I'll try to get it aimed to where you can see. Okay, let's do the jigsaw first. 2.890, just about what the other one was. Let's see what that extra bit of silver did for the Punisher. Not much, 3.035. They're both really close. Well, that's good. Okay, let me get this thing swung around here again. Okay, that's going to be about it. We'll come back after the stamping and the tumble. We'll be talking to you. Okay, folks. Here we go. You'll see them when I see them. If I can see them. Holy smoly, I mixed up a new batch of Shine Bright, and these Johnskis are shiny. Graphite. Okay, Ivan, here we go. How's that for light? That'll be coming your way. I might be able to get it in the mail yet today. I should be able to. There's the back. Just I put the little stamp on and the purity, that's all. I don't believe in putting weight on it. It's never right anyhow. Here's the back of this one. But got a little smudge in here or something. I don't know what that is. I might try another one. Looks okay. It come out a lot better than it did before, so I'm kind of happy with it. We're going to try and keep this short and sweet, folks. So, it's been great talking to you. We'll talk to you later.